Hello there. Do you think your home doesn't have enough space to grow strawberries? Then watch this video till the end. Today, I'll show you how to grow wall-hanging strawberries using recycled dishwashing liquid bottles. It's space-saving and delivers amazing, high-yield results. With a little creativity and proper care, you can easily create a beautiful hanging strawberry garden full of juicy red fruits all year round, right at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support helps this garden grow. To grow healthy young plants, I propagate by cutting runners from mature strawberry plants. This method helps the new plants inherit the good traits of the parent plant, root faster, grow stronger, and produce fruit earlier than seed-grown ones. To prepare for strawberry propagation by cutting, I use foam pieces and a banana as a natural nutrient source for the seedlings. Bananas are rich in potassium and minerals that promote root growth, while the foam helps retain moisture, creating the perfect environment for healthy plant development. Your one light keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. I cut a small piece of banana, attach it to a foam piece, and press it against the strawberry runner. The banana provides natural nutrients like potassium and calcium to stimulate root growth, while the foam retains moisture, creating the perfect conditions for propagation. I use a dishwashing liquid container, cut off the top, and punch holes around it. This allows better airflow and drainage, preventing waterlogging and creating an ideal environment for the roots to grow strong and healthy. Every subscribe is a drop of water for this little green world. I fasten bamboo sticks along the wall and then attach dishwashing liquid containers to them to fill with soil and plant strawberries. This method makes great use of vertical space, creating a unique hanging strawberry garden that's neat, productive, and visually pleasing. After a few days of propagation, the strawberry cuttings have grown well, with healthy roots. I cut the propagated stems and plant them directly into the dishwashing liquid containers filled with soil. This helps the plants quickly adapt, root firmly, and grow steadily in their new environment. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. After planting, I add granular fertilizer around the base of the plant to provide extra nutrients. The fertilizer supplies nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, helping the roots grow strong, the leaves stay lush, and the plant produce more flowers and fruits. To provide more nutrients for the plants, I mix liquid fertilizer with water and water the plants. Liquid fertilizer is easily absorbed by the soil, allowing the roots to quickly take in nutrients, helping the plants grow stronger with greener leaves and more flowers and fruits. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. To provide more nutrients for the plants, I mix liquid fertilizer with water and water the plants. This method helps the plants absorb nutrients faster, promotes strong root growth, keeps the leaves green, and improves flowering and fruiting. Dried tea leaves help make the soil looser and richer in natural nutrients, so I add a small amount around the base of the plant. Dried tea contains organic matter and trace elements such as nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, which improve soil structure, retain moisture, and promote strong root growth. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. At this stage, the plant is flowering and bearing fruit, which makes it more vulnerable to pests and fungus. To prevent natural infestations, I chop ginger, mix it with water, and spray it on the plants. Ginger has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to repel insects, kill harmful bacteria, and prevent mold, while also stimulating healthy growth without using chemicals. Wow! With this simple planting and care method, my plants have produced so many fruits, it's absolutely amazing. Seeing the results after all the care and effort makes me so happy and proud. Every bit of work has been truly worth it. If you find this video helpful and meaningful, try doing it my way. You'll be surprised by the amazing results. Start today with just a little time and love for nature. You can create a beautiful garden right at home, all by yourself. If you enjoyed this calm moment, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me keep planting more.